What's going on, guys? I am Chris, this is Ballroom and we're doing a Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about the differences between a spot turn and a three-step turn. These are the most opposite types of turns you could possibly get from each other, where a spot turn does not travel, it changes directions, and a three-step turn travels. This is the first biggest difference. The next difference is a spot turn I walk forward and across myself, and a three-step turn I actually have three steps to take, but the first of those three steps is actually a swivel, which if we have seen some of our other videos and whatnot and some of our explanations, the two parents of turn types is a spot turn and a swivel are the two main turn types that we use. A spot turn, obviously over here, and then a swivel we use to start a three-step turn. Okay, so our brief overview of how I do both these turns and why they look and we utilize them completely differently, all right? So, when I do a spot turn, I'm going to walk towards you with my left foot, forward and across myself to set up a spot turn, and I rotate to change directions. We keep saying it's a spot turn because both my feet remain in the same spot the entire time, right? I walk forward towards you, across myself, I turn, both feet, same spot, exactly where they started this entire time. I'm changing directions. It's not specifically my left foot turning right, it could also be my right foot turning to the left. Yes, so I'm using whatever forward foot, I'm turning the opposite direction because that is the only way I could leave both feet. When I walk forward with my left foot but I turn to the same direction, that is a swivel and a different turn type, which is how we set up a three-step turn. Three-step turn, for example, I'm going to do it backwards. I'm going to travel this way, I'm going to walk forward to my left foot, I turn towards my left foot with a swivel, close my feet as one example, and I finish with a side step. And those are the three steps. I go walk forward, step number one with the swivel, close, or take a slight side step here for step number two, continue turning, and then a side step typically on step number three. If I do it the other way, right foot goes forward, my right foot, for step number one is a swivel. Step number two, I'll do a side step here for a different example. I'll keep turning on it. And then step number three, I'll take a side step, three-step turn. So three-step turns have three steps. They travel and they belong to the swivel family of steps. A spot turn, I walk across myself, I do not travel, I change direction, and it is only one step. Some other names for the spot turn also is a forward walk turning you get from like the international side of it. If you do a lot of like international Rumba, they continuously talk about a forward walk turning because I have to set up that forward walk different than a normal forward walk. All right, so this is the brief overview of these two turn types. We talk about 5 different turn types and the families they belong to and how we set them up and how we weight transfer and spot and do all these fun things. This is just a quick video on why these two turn types are different from each other. Please, if you learned anything from this video, like the video, we'd love to see it. And please comment other questions or turn types or patterns or dances that you want to see because we'd love to answer your questions and help you out. Visit us at ballroomfeed.com to check out more videos like this, ton of free stuff on there, a lot of syllabus and technique videos, and we'd love to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.